what has the repercussions been, at home and outside, like professionally? What do you feel like? Has it damaged your reputation in a way?
Of course, in a way,
Initially,
yeah, because see, there are people who are close.
you held a press meet and you're talking to us. What are the, this thing? How is it going to sort out? Like, do you think media is saying sorry and getting back on the track?
See, I do really hold a lot of respect for all the media personals, and
What are the actions you're going to take for those who do not remove your photograph and correct the name, of that person?
of course, we have no other option other than going legal.
What is her name? And what was the misinformation?
So her name is Antara Soham Banerjee, and my name is Antara Subrata Banerjee. Now the what happened is, from what I got to know, my photographs and my work credentials started getting merged with this whole incident which was reported. I have nothing to do with this incident. I have no clue why this happened, but this has happened. And it has been circulated all over the internet where my photos are used. Each and every photographs from Google has been taken out and been used all over. And it has spread very rapidly. So yeah, that's what is happening, and I've got to know since yesterday.
So what has the repercussions been, at home and outside, like professionally? What do you feel like? Has it damaged your reputation in a way?
Of course, in a
Initially,
way, yeah, because see, there are people who are close, who are so close that they know I cannot do something like that. But I cannot vouch on everybody like that because they know me professionally. We don't meet off so often. So those people called me to ask what has happened, and there are people who are my own. They are calling me to ask, "Are you okay? What is the thing which we are hearing? Do you want help?" So there are different kind of conversations I have been having with my friends and family and the people who are my colleagues. But definitely, it has spread so rapidly. My reputation is at stake. There's so many people, one people says one thing to other people, तो ऐसे करके
it
वो
goes in
बहुत फैल
spreading.
जाता है. Yeah, of course it is all over.
Exactly. So you held a press meet and you're talking to us. What are the, this thing? How is it going to sort out? Like, do you think media is saying sorry and getting back on the track?
See, I do really hold a lot of respect for all the media personals, and I think they are one of the biggest pillars in any actor's life. But these kind of things are very irresponsible. You cannot do something like this without verifying it. So I only thing I am requesting from each and every individual who were present today, and even the people who couldn't come today, that please take out the news and the photograph, my photograph which has been used. Remove it. Just take it out, remove it completely, so that it is rectified. The whatever the problem is, we need to come to a solution. We cannot keep on talking about the problem. So that whatever has happened from here on, at least, I won't be mentally harassed. I won't get those calls, and people will not call me for this, for this reason.
What are the actions you're going to take for those who do not remove your photograph and correct the name, of that person? Will you be proceeding legally for that?
Yes, of course. Of course, we have no other option other than going legal, because now it is a question of my self integrity. And I cannot just leave it like this, that okay, fine, it's okay, जो होगा देख लेंगे. ऐसा नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं, because it is a legal case. It is about a legal case. So I cannot leave it. I have to go legally. I have no other option then.
Do you agree that social media is not being used for good reasons? And also, I don't know which generation to blame, but this incident is a very unique and very weird incident. What advice would you like to give to the social media and general media about talking to a person and then putting it? How authentic is social media? But you all survive on social media.
So I think it varies from person to person. Social media is huge in today's world, but there are also people in this generation who doesn't like to be on social media. Like if you take me, I only post what is required. I will not go and post what I eat and when I sleep and where I am going. I will not do that. So it varies from people to people, but social media, if we are using it, then we should use it for a good purpose. We cannot use social media to just put somebody's photograph without verifying anything. So it's for media, I think it is very much it's a very irresponsible thing which has which has happened. It is very unfortunate. We rely, and the whole country relies on media. We
But this
all
is social media, you know. So I'm talking about social media. Media is quite responsible if you go and see.
Yeah, definitely.
Print will always try to talk to you.
Correct.
We will call you up and then we will put it in print, you know. This is specifically social media.
No,
Anybody and everybody, you know, picks up a phone
Yeah.
and they talk to, they immediately get a piece of news, you know, just a leak, and they elaborate it on their own.
Yeah, that's true. That is social media. But then this incident which we are talking about now,
Yeah,
this
it
happened
is
from our normal
widespread.
media. Yes.
Widespread.
Yes, correct. So it started from media.
Yeah.
Then it went to
started
social
with
media.
ANI.
Yes.
How responsible are these agencies?
See, I don't want to comment about any particular one.
But this started with
It
ANI.
started with somebody, then somebody else put my photo. The whole incident was reported by ANI, but then later on the photo was put by somebody else. We still couldn't figure out who was
put-
it, who used my photo for the first time. We are still trying to find that out.
You should be happy. खूबसूरती बिकती है ना.
But I'm sure we will find it out.
Celebrity बिकते हैं ना.
So I'm sure we will find it out now.
Anyway, so let's discuss about your career.
Yes.
What are you doing right now, you know?
Okay, so at the moment I took a break for almost 1.5 years.
Such a young this thing, you know, girl. Why have you taken a break?
No, I took that because I thought that my mother needed me. She was not keeping that great, and I'm
So
their
nice.
only child. So I thought that is my
Spoiled one?
responsibility. No, not the spoiled one, unfortunately. So I was there in Calcutta. They are based out of Calcutta, and I did to and fro. But you know, it doesn't work out just traveling. So now she is stable. I got back just 1.5 months back, and I started working on myself and all of that. And then this whole thing happened. So
It's good,
it's
no?
very
You're in
shocking.
limelight.
No, but
all
then
of a
it
sudden
was.
you're in limelight.
So-
That's what I'm saying. Any publicity is good. See, hereafter people will be calling you up. People will talk to you. They will also, they might call you for reality shows also.
So
you
I
know?
think I give it
अमिताभ
on
के
y'all.
अमिताभ के रियलिटी शो में जाना चाहोगे या सलमान के?
So I
Because
think-
दोनों अलग हैं.
Yes, I know. Yes,
So
I
which
know.
one you would prefer?
Both are my favorite actors. I
you
mean,
can't-
whatever.
You cannot balance one leg there and the other one here.
So
You
I'll
can't-
do one
you
first,
can't
and then I'll
shop
go to I'll go to the other one after I finish one.
Okay.
But I'll take both the opportunities.
Okay, she wants to be in Karodpati. Why? Because she wants to become Karodpati. Right?
No, so
How
I.
intelligent are you? How will you face Amitabh Bachchan's questionnaire? You know,
Oh my God,
bongs and South Indians are definitely quite intelligent
Yes,
and
yes,
culturally
yes.
also.
They're
they are,
culturally very rooted, yeah.
Very rooted.
Yeah.
So, how will you face Amitabh Bachchan's questionnaire? You know,
I need to prepare
And
myself for that.
you have to tell Amit ji also. Okay, please call me.
Sir, actually, please call me. I'm looking out for that opportunity. That one opportunity when I get to meet you. Oh my God! I mean, that will be a dream come true if that happens.
Wow. One is Karodpati is classy.
Yeah.
And Big Boss is Masi. He will come like this and Amit ji आएंगे एकदम.
Yeah.
हाँ तो देवी जी बोलिए. तो दोनों में से कौन पसंद है आपको? ऐसा नहीं है कि दोनों पसंद है. ठीक है.
दोनों पसंद है. मैं एक नहीं
लेकिन
choose कर
क्लासी
सकती हूँ.
पसंद है या मासी पसंद है?
कभी क्लासी कभी मासी.
क्या बात है. कभी क्लासी कभी मासी. ये मेरी हेडलाइन है. तो फिलहाल आप मासी बन चुकी हैं क्योंकि आप इतनी वायरल हो चुकी हैं.
I know.
मुझे भी कॉल्स आ रहे थे साउथ से कि सब कट पेस्ट कर रहे थे. तो इसमें क्या बुराई क्या है? आप इतना गुस्साई क्यों हो?
नो आई एम देखिए कुछ अच्छे चीज के लिए होता है तो अच्छा लगता है कि ओ माय गॉड आई डिड सम गुड वर्क. I want to be famous for not for any controversy. I don't want to be known to people for any controversy. I want to be known to people for my good work. So that's one thing I want to keep.
No, it's good that you have clarified thing. Hereafter, how many days are you going to involve yourself in this? Because see, it's an happening event. I mean, you can't keep immersed in it,
Correct.
throughout. So how will you come out of it? Right now, it's a little difficult for you to come out. How are you planning to come out of it?
I think I'll just give it couple of more days. I'm just trying to figure out that what next should we do. I'm just waiting कि आज के बाद ये चीज़ें अगर खुद से खुद ही हट जाए तो I don't think so उसके बाद मुझे कुछ करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. I can focus on my career. And as soon as if it doesn't go, then we need to go legal. So then we will see step by
But
step.
such a petted girl, such a petted and beautiful girl, going legal, it is a huge procedure, especially in our country.
Correct.
So, and you'll spend so much of money.
I know that,
How
but
will you go about?
do I have an option? I don't have an option, right? It's a legal case, and I am involved. If I travel a lot. We need to travel for our shoot purposes also. Internationally, it becomes very difficult to travel if such kind of things you are associated with. So I don't want any kind of things like that. So I will want to clarify it if it is not done, on its own now.
As you said that you don't want to associate with such stuff, but if you go for reality show, that massy show, you have to purposely show off all your negative stuff. Are you a fighter cock?
No, so that needs to be decided if I go to this show. I don't know that. That audience will decide if I go to the show.
So if you go, how will you prepare yourself?
I need to be very strong. That's for sure. I'm a very emotional person. So I think I need to prepare and then I go. Not like this. Just uthao aur chale jao. So
You said you travel internationally. For what do you travel internationally? Are you doing some stage shows? Are you preparing yourself to reach Hollywood like Priyanka Chopra?
maybe eventually that is the
Yeah.
plan, but I'm very happy with wherever I'm working, and I look up to the people who is there in our industry. Currently I travel because me and my family loves to travel, so that is one part. Bengalis travel a lot. Other than that, मैं shows भी करती हूँ. I keep on doing a lot of stage shows
Achha,
also.
because you've trained as a
Yes, I'm
Kathak
trained as a
or-
Kathak dancer.
Oh
Yeah.
wow!
Yes.
Who was your guru?
So I learned it from Kajol Bose, and अभी मैं फिर से वापस I have started practicing again.
Kathak.
So, Kathak, yes.
Oh. Since how old were you when you
I've-
started learning it?
I was 6 when I started learning.
That's
So it's been almost like more than a decade that I have learned. And
Never
other than
ask a
that,
woman's age.
Exactly.
So I will not ask your age.
I was just going there.
I
So
won't ask
yeah,
your age.
it's been a really nice time doing Kathak, and
Professionally, what are your preferences? Would you like to do television again? Because it gave you a name.
of course it gave me a
Fame,
name,
especially
fame.
with the
I learned a lot. I
Learned.
learned so much from TV. I've taken
Camera
so much from
taking and
TV.
all that.
Yes, 100%.
You didn't rob the lights of others?
No. But I've learned a lot from TV. But as of now, I think I will want to focus on OTT and films. My dream is to become an A-list actor, so it's a big dream. So I'll do it one step at a time.
You
So-
possess that persona.
Thank you.
You have that cute looking face, and you should know which angle looks good. You can present yourself.
No,
on
you just
screen.
told me to sit here today, so I sat like a good girl.
Like okay,
So-
so would you like to venture down south? Have you done a film? No,
No, I haven't
You want
done
to
a
debut
film.
with south? How are you going
100%.
about?
I mean, I will love to do a South film.
How are you going about?
As of now, I haven't made a plan. My team is actually trying to venture things, looking for opportunities. But I'm sure I want to do something where I should be happy about what I'm doing. I don't want to do just जो आया वो कर लिया. I want to do some really good work.
तो फिलहाल अभी आप मतलब agreement वगैरह sign
नहीं अभी तक नहीं हुई है, but या कुछ opportunities आ रही है, कुछ आएंगे. I'm sure something good will come, and I'll do justice to that. So looking for that.
Any message you want to give to the media, especially the social media?
I think
Misinformation and your photograph has been used.
the only thing I would like to request is today's meet was to request everybody, every individual who has put out my photograph or the news or something, please remove it as soon as possible. I have nothing to do with this case. I have nothing to, do with whatever incident which has been reported. So please do that.
हाँ, और चलते चलते जो नहीं करेगा स्टर्नली बोलिए कि क्या करोगे, स्टर्नली, नॉट विद योर स्वीट स्माइल.
I think if it is not removed, then I will have to go legal. There is no other option I will be left out with. So I need to go legal after that, and then we see what happens.
And she wants to see that it is removed.
Yeah, 100%.
Thank you.
Thank you so
God
much.
bless you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.